Could investing in African stocks be the hidden gem you've been searching for in your investment journey? Welcome to our exploration of this often overlooked market sector. Investing in stocks, as many know, involves buying shares of a company. When you buy a share, you're buying a piece of that company, becoming a part owner. This fundamental concept holds true no matter where in the world you invest, Africa included. So, why consider African stocks? Africa, a continent rich in resources and bursting with potential, offers a diverse range of industries ripe for investment. From mining and agriculture to telecom and tech startups, opportunities abound for the discerning investor. But how does one go about investing in African stocks? It begins with understanding the various exchanges. Africa boasts 29 stock exchanges, with the Johannesburg Stock Exchange in South Africa being the largest. Other notable exchanges include the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Egyptian Exchange, and the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Once you've identified the exchange, the next step involves researching the companies listed. Look for businesses that show potential for growth, have a stable financial history, and are in industries you understand. Of course, investing in African stocks isn't without its challenges. Market volatility, regulatory issues, and information asymmetry are some of the hurdles investors may face. However, with careful due diligence and a well-diversified portfolio, these risks can be managed. Now, one might wonder if it's possible to invest in African stocks without going through the process of buying directly from the exchanges. The answer is yes. There are numerous Africa-focused ETFs and mutual funds available that simplify the process. These funds provide exposure to a variety of African companies, thereby spreading the risk and offering a more manageable entry point into this unique market. To summarize, investing in African stocks presents an opportunity to diversify your portfolio and tap into the growth potential of an emerging market. It involves understanding the different exchanges, conducting thorough research on potential companies, and being aware of the associated risks. Whether you choose to buy shares directly from an exchange or invest through an Africa-focused fund, the key lies in diligent research and mindful diversification. Remember, every investment journey is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. So, could investing in African stocks be your next big move? Only you can answer that. But one thing is certain. Africa, with its wealth of resources and untapped potential, is a market that demands consideration. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of African stocks. Here's to your investment journey. May it be fruitful and enlightening.